Today we will be creating an implied shape pastel rubbing project. To begin, on the back of your paper you want to write your what? You got it, your name. Next, you will choose a shape to put in the center of your paper. I'm choosing the star for this time. Then I'm going to take two colors of chalk pastel. I'm choosing blue and green, but you can pick whichever two you would like. I'm then on top of my shape tracer going to do a dotted line of color all around the edge of my shape. When you finish with your first color, grab your second color and fill in those open spaces on the dotted line. Now comes the really fun part. With one hand, hold down the tracer, and with the other, take your pointer finger and rub all of that bright color onto the white paper. But make sure you're holding your shape with your other hand so that it doesn't move around. When you finish rubbing, remove your tracer and you will see that implied shape in the center. To finish off our design, take two other colors and create a dotted line around the border of your paper. I'm using purple first. To complete your pattern, grab your second color and fill in those spaces on the dotted line. For mine, I'm doing pink, but again, choose the two colors you'd like to use. The final step is to take a clean finger and rub your two outer colors inward towards your shape. And there you have it, my implied shape. I'm going to wash my hands quickly and responsibly when I am all done.